Let's go this way. Oh, duckling! 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 Duckling there! Duckling! Duckling! Quick! Ah, it's alright. Better luck next time. You got it! You seen it! Here! Here! Duckling! Duckling! Look! Duckling! Duckling there! Duckling! Look! Duckling! 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 Look! Duckling! Duckling, Bob! Duckling! Look! Look! Duckling! Look! Duckling! Look! Can you get it? Duckling? Huh? Swim! Look! He won't get it. He wouldn't. Next time. That's why you need to swim. Swim faster. It's alright, Bob. It's alright. Maybe next time you will get it. Next time you will get it. That's a big duckling. Very big duckling. Ooh, that's very big. Maybe tomorrow or in a few days, we come back here. But you need to swim, Bob. You need to swim so that you will be able to get it. And Daddy will cook it for you. For you, Dina. It's alright, Bob. It's alright. It's alright. I'll give you a nice dinner tonight. I have something in my mind. Plans for you, Dina. I'm planning to give you a nice dinner. He nearly got the duckling. He wasn't sure of swimming. But it's alright. It's alright, Bob. It's alright, baby. It's alright. It's alright. Let's go back now. Let's go back. Let's go back, Bob. Hurry. Hurry. Go back this way. Go back this way. This way. Because the duckling is heading that way. Now you are very wet. You're very wet now, baby. Hurry. But it's alright. It's alright if you're wet. Now we're not going there. Now we're not going there. Going here. It's a bit muddy. It's wet there. Hey, come on. Get down here. Here. Come on. Get down. Not going there because it's very muddy. It's very wet. Come, let's go home. Oh, you poor thing. I'll give you a nice dinner. Nice dinner. Let's go now. Let's go this way. Okay. Ah. Ah, that's weed. Keep going, Harry. Keep going. That's good, boy.